random sample of n measurements was selected from a population with unknown mean mu and known standard deviation sigma. Calculate a 95% confidence interval for mu for the following situations. N equal 49, x bar equal 28, sigma is 28, sigma is known. If we know the sigma, what is the confidence interval for mu? It is x bar plus or minus z star sigma over root 10. So we know all terms but z star. To find the z star, we need confidence level. What is the confidence level? We use C. Confidence level is 95%. That means 0.95. So let me draw the normal curve now. So you know the middle point, the middle area is the 0.95. Therefore this plus this area is 0.05. Therefore we can say this one 0.025. Now we need z star, here negative, and here z star is positive. Now we should go to the z table and look for the number 0.025. Okay, this is the z table. So can we see the 0.025? Yes, we do have here. It is 0.0250. So what is the corresponding z value for this? It is negative 1.96. Therefore, z value is here this negative side negative 1.96. So positive side positive 1.96. Now we can plug the numbers to this. X bar equal 28 plus or minus z star. Make sure you plug the positive value here. 1.96 sigma equal 28, n equal 49 square root. So this can be simplified. This 7.84. So we can get the confidence interval 20.16 comma 35.84. This is the confidence interval. Now I am asking, what is the margin of error? How do we find the margin of error? You know already, margin of error equal z star sigma over root 10, right? So that is the margin of error or maximum error. So we already know that. We calculated that is the 7.84. Therefore, we can write it is 7.84. That is the margin of error. If I illustrate this is the confidence interval. So this is lower bound 20.16, upper bound 35.84. So middle value is the x bar, that is the 28. It should be 28. So margin of error is distance from here to here. That is the margin of error, or distance from here to here. That is the margin of error. Now I am asking this question. Suppose you know only confidence interval, that is 20.16 and 35.84. So now how do we find the x bar? Yes, x bar is the middle value. Therefore, x bar equal, add these two numbers 35.84 and divided by 2. Always divided by 2. then you know 20.16 plus 35.84 is 56 divided by 2, which is 28. My next question is, if you know confidence interval like this, how do you find the margin of error? Again, find the margin of error of this confidence interval. You know you can use this way, but not that way. You don't know z star, you don't know sigma, you don't know n. You know only confidence interval. Then find the margin of error. A random sample of n measurements was selected from a population with unknown mean mu and known standard deviation sigma. Calculate a 80% confidence interval for mu for the following situation. Yes, again we know sigma. Therefore, confidence interval for the mu is x bar plus or minus z star sigma over root 10. All the terms are given but z star. We need confidence level. What is the confidence level here? C equal 0.80 because 80%. Now let me draw the z curve, normal curve, and area, middle area is the 0.80. Therefore this area and this area must be 0.20. Therefore this is 0.1. Now need z star negative number here and z star positive number here. So go to the z table. We are again in the z table. So we are looking for 0.1, 0.100. So 0.100, you see this is the closest number for the 0.100. Therefore, what is the z value corresponding to this? 1.28 negative. So this one negative 1.28, this one positive 1.28. So just plug the numbers here now. X bar is given 125 plus z star is given, not given actually, we found this one, we have that one 1.28. Yes, it is always positive value here. 1.28, sigma is given 50 and divided by root n, 100 root 10. So you know 125, then this should be 1.28 multiplied by 5, which is 6.4. Therefore confidence interval is 118.6, 131.4. So that is the confidence interval for this problem. Again, please try to find the x bar if you know the confidence interval. Think this way. I give you an example. Suppose you have confidence interval 4, 10. Now find the x bar and also find the margin of error.